buy that.
You can always teach skill, but you can't teach a good person.
Dalawa lang result niya. Pass lang siya or reefer. Pag reefer, hindi siya natural diamond.
Check mo nga yung mo. Pinadya mo.
Baka mamaya, refer mo.
New day, new bag. But today, hindi bag yung iba-vlog natin. We have here a first-time client all the way from
California.
Mapapa-English tayo din. Sir, may Tagalog kayo, sir. And we have here Mr. Rick.
Yun o, new day, new diamond tayo din today. So, yan.
Sir, what's your name?
Ernest Christopher.
Kanina, sir, narinig ko parang Hermes eh. Kaya napalabas ako. Parang may real-life Hermes pala kami dito. Sir Ernest and Ma'am Grace.
Ma'am kanina wearing Kelly 25 na black. Ayan pala, dala pala ni ma'am.
So,
Ang ganda.
simply, mag-check po kayo ng bags, but you end up getting 2 diamonds.
Yes.
Hindi napigilan ni Ma'am mag-shine yung mata niya.
Tinatanong ko lang kasi napanood ko yung vlog mo about
Diamond.
Yes.
Actually, vlog ni Ricky po. Kasi pumunta po kami sa Diamond Expo last year of September nung sa Hong Kong po. Yun yung pinaka-largest jewelry fair in the world. So ngayon, since we're into diamonds na rin po, so plan namin pumunta every now and then ng mga expo.
Marami na tayong mga direct manufacturer na nakilala from Japan, sa Thailand, sa Hong Kong. So this year, pupunta kami sa mismong mga planta nila, manufacturer. Then doon kami magna-live. Para diretso na yung presyo as in factory price. Then mura na siya kaysa yung mga onhan natin nandito, ganyan.
Pero ma'am, this is a good price po ah.
Yes. Yes.
This is baguette earring for 125,000. Mamaya na.
So ito nga, sa from US, kaya kwentuhan na muna tayo. Mamaya natin discuss ang diamond. Kwentuhan tayo, sir. From US kayo, di ba? Yung business natin, sir.
Meron kaming medical billing. Start kami ng 2015. Started kasi na-fire out ako sa trabaho. Forced kami na, she wasn't working. We had 2 kids then. 3 kids. So 4 kids na kami. Fire out ako, lang ang breadwinner. Sabi ko, anong gagawin ko? Sawa na ako magtrabaho sa mga tao. I said, I'm just gonna do it myself. She thought I was crazy. How am I gonna do this? Started from the bedroom, laptop, gumawa ako ng company, and just started doing it from there, from home. No clients. First 6 months, nothing. 8 months, nothing. Then after a year, finally got our first client.
After a year.
Just no money coming in.
Grabe, I can
So,
relate, sir.
yeah.
Kasi I started first Mason sa isang vacant room namin sa bahay. And then, pandemic din nun also.
Yeah.
And then, I was just browsing. Kasi mahilig talaga ako sa bags. Sabi ko, I want this business. Kahit wala akong masyadong profit, but at least, I got to do my passion.
Yes.
And then, nung pandemic, di ba, it turns out to be one of our biggest breakthrough in our business. So, ang galing din po sa inyo. It's what turns out to be yung parang akala nyo yung biggest challenge in your life. Turns out to be the biggest blessing. Then, nag-start yung business nyo. Grabe, sobrang inspiring po.
When we first started, after a year, actually, may trabaho na siya. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko kaya to. Sabi ko, tulungan mo ko. Sabi ko, quit ka sa trabaho mo. Kasi kailangan ko yung help mo. Hirap kasi siya na lang naging breadwinner kasi I wasn't making any money of the business. Pray na kami ng pray. Sabi ko, Lord, bless us. Finally, after a year and a half, quit siya to join me.
Tinuruan niya ako. Wala
Grabe yung
akong alam
biz na tinik ni ma'am.
So, natuto naman. So, that's how we started.
And just prayer lang.
Ano yung struggles niya doon?
Oh, wow.
Ano?
So many. Because even for the first 5 years, the company was making money pero we don't pay ourselves. We
Because
pay
we have
the
employees.
Delayed gratification.
Yes, delayed nga for 5 years. And then, same story like
5
you.
years.
2020 lang kami nag-turn. 2000 to 15, it's just break even.
For 5 years, break even.
Break even. Just enough to pay maybe just the rent. Credit cards, credit cards, credit cards. But then 2020, pandemic hit, COVID hit, and medical billing kami. So we shifted into COVID testing.
Ay, may question pala ako. Di ba sabi nyo, from 2015 na nag-start kayo up to pandemic, break even lang po. So what keeps you motivated po to continue the business?
Well, it was just our employees. I couldn't let them go.
Even until now, maliit yung percentage namin sa turnover. We rarely have employees na nag-quit unless na they move to another state or like they have to quit the job because, nagkaanak. Yun usually ang nagiging lang. Pero most of our employees, they stay. And then we kind of like make it like a family environment. So we kind of like, even after work, we go out. And then we kind of like share kung ano yung, that we can help personally sa nila, like sa bahay or sa family nila. Ganun. And then also like sharing now that, it's doing good, the blessing, so we share it to them.
We never hired based on talent, based on skill, resume. We hired based on if she's a good person.
Based on integrity.
Because you can always teach skill,
Correct.
but you can't teach good person.
Dahil mahal niyo yung tao, minahal din ng mga empleyado niyo yung business. Minahal din nila kayo.
Kaya naiiwanan namin sila doon and then,
Now we get to travel.
And enjoy the fruits of your labor. Including the diamonds.
That's
Enjoy
treat.
Ito na yung diamonds na in-order ni Ma. So, nag-walk-in lang sila. Nakita nila yung diamond. Yan.
Tapos napaka-supportive ni sir. Kasi sabi, I think you should buy that. Ganyan din sa akin, sir.
Kasi magkakwit siya kung hindi.
Siya, ikaw ba yung CEO?
Yes. She's the owner. Ano ako, marketing lang ako.
Same sa amin. Sa other business namin, ako yung CEO. Ngayon, dito sa First Mason, siya na. Kaya ako, kailangan ko rin mag-vlog. So, thank you for joining sa aming vlog ngayon.
Thank you for supporting.
Malalaman na ng mga audience natin na may ginagawa pala ako.
Akala daw kasi bodyguard.
Pagkamala na akong bodyguard,
Wapong
pagkamala na
bodyguard
ako na
naman.
driver, ganyan. At meron pa kami dati, kala nila photographer ako. Ito, in-order ni ma'am. First gen na ring, karat niya is 1.92 karat, total of diamond, and total weight ng gold niya is 6.33 grams. So, this one is 138,000. So, ito, first gen ring. Alam ko, nagpe-pre-order pa si ma'am ng first gen earring. Actually, ma'am, ang dami naming ganito nung nakaraan. Naubos agad. From 2 carats to 7 carats, I think. No.
Tapos ang maganda sa design na to, ma'am, hindi siya laging nakikita na usual setting ng diamonds. This is the baguette earrings, total of for 125,000 pesos.
Ito, GIA ID 100. So, nag-invest tayo sa tester ng natural diamond. From GIA mismo talaga siya. Sinidetect niya lang is kung natural diamond siya or diamond simulant. Yung diamond simulant, yun yung halos kapareho ng diamonds. Like yung lab-grown, moissanite, mga cubic zirconia. Dalawa lang result niya, natural diamond o hindi. Since all natural diamond naman yung binibenta namin, yun ang very important dito sa tester na to. Pass lang siya or reefer. Pag reefer, hindi siya natural diamond. So ito, testing mo lang siya na ganyan. Yan, so pass yung lalabas.
Galing.
So yun yung pinaka-important po, dapat pag bibili kayo natitest.
Kasi kung kaya mo, pinadyan mo.
Baka mamaya refer you.
Kasi maliliit, ma'am, yung diamond, no?
Okay, balik
Tingnan natin
natin.
kung masyado maliit. Ayan, legit na diamond.
Congrats, ma'am.
Congrats.
Nakatakot pala to.
Ayan,
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah, thank you din.
Thank you.